Welcome to Real Hi-Fi Help. So let me reveal the modem switch router blind spot for the streamer. I did a lot of investigation in connection with making this whole streamer sound for you guys as perfect as possible. It was really difficult getting to this point. It's taken a couple of years, but I'm gonna reveal some things that will make all of your sound react a lot better, and this is gonna happen around that area, modem switch router area. So just so you guys know what I'm gonna show you, that there's my 1 month experiment here, which you can read about. Then there's this streaming video, perfect streaming video. I suggest you look at that if you haven't seen that in connection with building a really good streamer. This is basically the text. You guys can just pause the video and read everything here. It's going to take a while reading it all up. I've made it nice and big so you guys can see it. If it's not big enough, just upscale the resolution to 720p. And I am going to draw this quickly for you guys just so you know exactly what I mean. This is the gear that I used to have, the old Asus router, and this is the new Asus router that I have, which is 15 times more expensive. And this is the main box. I live in Denmark, so we have to use this. And yeah, I'm one of those few guys left in the world that still has to use telephone connection, which isn't very fast, and yeah, which is a bit extra noisy. So yeah, if you had the possibility of getting a fiber connection, do that. That is theoretically going to get rid of a lot of noise for your sound. So do that if you can. But this is what I have to use in my country. So basically, this is where the connection starts from the wall. So it starts from the wall socket here. I then use an adapter with a cable. That cable gets plugged into this box here, I think port 19 here, and then I basically redistribute the with these ports here the internet to different parts of the house. We have several users in this house. There's me and there's the rest of my family. And yeah, it's then connected to a router. So some people get it directly from the box, and like me, I get it from this extra router. I've tried doing it directly from the home box, the modem, CP, whatever you call it. It actually sounds worse because of a different type of noise. So yeah, odd that should happen, but it actually dampens the sound in a good way having this on. You can also read about that in the text. So it's a very interesting journey I had recently changing some of the gear. That's one of the main reasons for doing this video. You can read about it in the text below. This is my streamer, and yeah, you can read about that in the text. Very interesting stuff that I did, which I don't think a lot of other people have done in the world, and that's really going to change the sound and just make it possible for you to customize your own sound so you don't have to settle. So lots of really good text. Just pause it if you have to. Really hardcore stuff that's going to, when you do all of this stuff together, it makes a huge difference. Some of those things that I suggest, that there might be like 20 things that I talk about in this video. If you just do like 1 or 2 here and there on a lower class system, you are most likely not going to hear a difference. But it's the total combination of all of this stuff. And if you have a decent to really good system, it does make a huge difference in the end. It's the difference between listening to music and wanting to turn it off within 10 minutes and then being able to listen to music for hours. Of course, it's not as important as the whole streamer setup. So just know that the streamer is actually a lot more important, but this is a neglected part of hi-fi that I want to put a lot of focus on, so you guys can just, get that optimal sound, and right now in this age we're not close to that. So I said that I would draw this for you guys, so let me do that to give you guys a bit of perspective of what's going on just in my household here. So let's just draw a house. Let's say that this is my house. Okay, and let's say that this is the first floor, and this is where the internet connection comes out. Okay, so internet connection. From the street. Let's just say this is the internet connection from the street. So I have a telephone plug here. Let's just draw it. So it's like, let's just say that's a telephone plug. Then we have the adapter on it. I'm just going to draw it as a separate thing so you guys can see that it's there. Let's just call this the adapter. Then we have this modem box, just to refresh for you guys. The modem box is this one here, which is a router and modem in one, just to make it a bit more difficult. It goes into that box. That box has, let's just say it has Wi-Fi, because it does have that. So and the cable then goes over to another router. Boom, boom, boom. And then this cable goes all the way up to me. And this is about a 20-meter LAN cable. LAN cable. Like that. And here I have my streamer. Like that. So that's how it's set up in my house. It might be different in yours. So just so you get an idea of what's going on with all of these boxes, so you don't get confused and like, oh, what is this, dude? So have a look at this video if you can. There's a lot of really good stuff here behind the streamer, which is crucial for giving you a good sound. You could have a really good streamer and just lose out completely just because it isn't being fed a proper signal that's powerful and it's gonna end up sounding natural. So, and also know this, I have a modified streamer here, as you can see. So it's highly reactive to everything that happens before it. I'm not so lucky like my friend that I have a JCAT network card and then a JCAT USB card that like total cost like $2,000. A lot of that really filters all of this, so all of this isn't as necessary, but still very necessary. So just know that, guys. Just know that. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say in this video. This should really elevate streaming globally. So if you have the patience to watch this video and cover all the parts that I've covered, have a look at it. This will take a bit of time. You might have to do all of this over half a year's time. Not everybody has direct access. So yeah, that's the message for this video. And like if you want to share this video with other people. That's, by the way, my broken chair that's complaining there. So yeah, that's me logging off. Have a nice day. Bye.